Okay, so using electrical tape, I'm going to secure the wire inside the wire loom at least every foot so it won't come out. Okay, so now underneath the vehicle, right on the other side of the tailgate, you're going to see the main harness. You're going to zip tie the new wired harness that we created, and we're going to attach it to this existing harness all the way until you get to the passenger front door. Okay, so as soon as you get to the front catalytic converter on the passenger side, if you look up, you're going to see a rubber plug, and we're going to remove that. We're going to make a hole in that plug, and that's where you're going to fish your new wire inside the cabin of the vehicle. Okay, so if you lift the carpet, you're gonna see the hole where the plug is, and that's where we're gonna get the wire through. Okay, so now we're going to tap on the wires that control the lock for the passenger door On the 2018, the cables are going to be the one with pink with a silver dot and the white with a silver dot. They are actually the thicker wires on that connector. Um, that is the reason why I like to use posse tabs, because they're a good way to tap into the wire without damaging the wire, and these tabs work really good for that. Okay, now once the wires are connected, make sure that when you hit the lock on your key fob, that the tailgate actually locks. And if instead it unlocks the tailgate, then all you need to do is go back to the front wires and then flip the wires. That's all you need to do, and you're good to go. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed the process on how the power lock was installed. If you liked, help me out with a like. And if you have any questions, just leave them on the comment section and I'll be more than happy to try to answer as soon as I can. Thank you, and thanks for watching.